Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Idioms. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. He finally decided to toe the line after the warning. A. Lead the team. B. Follow the rules. C. Quit the project. D. Argue with everyone. The correct answer is letter B. Follow the rules. Toe the line means to obey the rules or expectations, usually reluctantly. Her proposal opened a can of worms. A. Solved many problems. B. Created a complicated mess. C. Helped everyone relax. D. Made people excited. The correct answer is letter B. Created a complicated mess. Opening a can of worms means starting something that leads to more trouble and confusion. He tends to hedge his bets during negotiations. A. Invest everything. B. Play it safe by limiting risk. C. Make bold decisions. D. Ignore options. The correct answer is letter B. Play it safe by limiting risk. Hedging your bets means protecting yourself by not committing too strongly to one option. The entire team is walking on eggshells around her today. A. Celebrating. B. Speaking carefully to avoid upsetting her. C. Ignoring her. D. Asking for advice. The correct answer is letter B. Speaking carefully to avoid upsetting her. Walking on eggshells means acting extremely cautiously around someone sensitive or upset. His excuse doesn't pass muster. A. Sounds very impressive. B. Is acceptable. C. Doesn't meet the required standard. D. Is funny. The correct answer is letter C. Doesn't meet the required standard. If something doesn't pass muster, it fails to meet expectations or requirements. They're trying to keep the project on an even keel. A. Make it more exciting. B. Keep things stable and steady. C. Change everything quickly. D. Speed it up. The correct answer is letter B. Keep things stable and steady. On an even keel means in a state of balance and smooth progress. The politician tried to muddy the waters during the debate. A. Clarify his point. B. Confuse the issue. C. Help the audience. D. Change the topic politely. The correct answer is letter B. Confuse the issue. Muddy the waters means to make something more confusing to avoid direct answers. Her success story really set the bar high. A. Lowered expectations. B. Created very high standards. C. Motivated no one. D. Made things easier. The correct answer is letter B. Created very high standards. Setting the bar high means establishing high expectations that others must meet or exceed. He refused to sweep the problem under the rug. A. Hide it. B. Solve it immediately. C. Celebrate it. D. Share it publicly. The correct answer is letter A. Hide it. Sweeping something under the rug means hiding an issue instead of dealing with it. Their explanation was so vague it was like chasing shadows. A. Easy to follow. B. Impossible to find or understand. C. Very dramatic. D. Completely boring. The correct answer is letter B. Impossible to find or understand. Chasing shadows means trying to pursue something unclear or unreachable. Did you get 10 out of 10?